Well, here we are, sports fans. He's going for it. He's going to do it. Will he do it? Here we are, sports fans. He's going to fucking drown his car instantly. She's flooded, boy. I don't actually know how long this goes on for, but we'll have a crack, sports fans. Oh, his clutch is burning. Here it is. He's going for it. His pumps are out. Here he is. He ain't seen me yet. Come on. Oh my God. Here we are, sports fans. Have that. She's fucking pissing it down. Oh my God, I'm nearly underwater. My car's gonna conk out. Oh, fuck off. Shit. Oh, it's all fucked up. There it is. There it is, sports fans. Oh, a bit more on the road here. Can he get the wrong side of the road to avoid it? I'm sure he can. There it is. There it is. Just look out the door here. She's definitely flooded. And he's done it. Oh, fuck.